In this video, I'll show you how to add a clickable link on your Instagram bio. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open the Instagram app on your phone, then we're gonna head to your profile by tapping on your profile picture right here at the bottom right. On your profile page, go ahead and tap on Edit Profile under your bio. And right here is where you can change your name, your username, add your bio, and also add links. So to do that, you're simply gonna select Add Links, and then add external link, and you're gonna copy the link that you wanna add to your bio. It could be your website, your TikTok, your YouTube channel, whatever it is that you want people to see once you're inside your Instagram profile. Once you have your link, go ahead and paste it under URL, and you can also give it a title. This is my YouTube channel, so that's what I'm gonna add. Then I'm gonna tap on Done. Now, if you go back to your profile and you refresh your page, you're gonna see the link that you just added right under your bio. Hope that helps.